Hello and welcome to London Car Alarm Company. Today we fitted a StarLine Platinum tracker on this classic SL. Customers were a bit bored about obviously the value of it going up. He didn't want it stolen and obviously wanted to know where it was, which comes with a recognition tag, what we call an ID tag. Also I've actually immobilised it through this tag, so as you walk away from the vehicle it activates and immobilises, and if the tag's not present the vehicle won't start. So as the customer walks away the system automatically arms. As he returns back to the vehicle, the system disarms. It also comes with an app. Right, so this is how it works. When you jump in, if the tag is present, you'll see I put key in, car will start. Okay. If the tag is not present, like so, the tag is not present, obviously because I've taken the battery out. If I now try and start it, vehicle won't start. There you go. See, vehicle won't start. Won't crank. Now again, I've actually just returned the battery. Ignition on. Vehicle starts. Very, very straightforward. Very, very easy to use. This also comes with a tracker, so you can see where the vehicle is.